that melody. What's good, people? In today's video I'll be making a beat with just only stock plugins. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so in today's video we're gonna do things differently. I'm not gonna start with the drums, I'm gonna start with a melody. So this is the melody that I'll be using, and let's take our BPM to 113. Yes, and let's fix this melody a bit. It's not on time, so let's do this, and then left click and then fit to tempo 75 to 150. Then it should be on time. Now we're going to cut it here and duplicate. Okay, so we're going to build a beat around that loop, and we're also going to use stock plugins, so it's a very difficult challenge. What I'm going to do right now is to pitch down the sample. I made this one unique so that this one doesn't get affected when I change the pitch. So for the low pitch, we have to just decrease the lows a bit and then add a bit of reverb. And let's take this one also to the mixer and decrease the velocity. MX kick 5. Then I'm gonna look for a shaker. This is a nice percussion. Can also use this one and this one. Let's use shaker 10 and then take it to the mixer, decrease the velocity. We can also remove the low frequencies because we don't need them. Okay, so let's create a drum bus so that we can send all our percussion elements into this bus. Let's route this one into this bus, and then we can add reverb. Then we can also add a fruity chorus. And then we can also just add a parametric EQ and remove the lows. I'm just gonna manipulate the swing a bit. The reverb is too much. Let's decrease the wetness again. Let's add this loop. And then we can cut it here. Then duplicate. I don't even know what type of Amapiano I'm making. Let's go with the flow. I think we're done with the percussion. Let's move on to the melodies and the bass lines. Yeah, which plugin should I start with? Let's try Toxic Biohazard. This is a nice bass. I really like that melody. Okay, so here I'm going to introduce the sub. Then I'm gonna modify it a bit. Okay, so let me remove this one for now, then we're gonna add it later on. Which other stock plugin is nice? We can try. Let's try Poison. this one unique and then decrease the velocity of this one. Okay, so I'm going to modify this one to give it more speed. Let's try adding the logs guitar in here. Let me add actually bit wobbly from Harmless. Yeah man, I don't want to do too much. I could add chord, I could add more percussion. I just wanted to show you guys that you can still cook up a good beat with just stock plugins without any third-party plugins. So yeah, let's just listen to the beat. Thank you for watching and catch me in the next video.